Hello friends, welcome to STEM Creations program. I'm Miss Andrea and today we are gonna make a giant Kirigami spider web. Are you ready? STEM creations go hand in hand with art. So what is Kirigami? Kirigami is a form of paper art that was invented in Japan. So kiru means cutting and kami means paper. Kirigami is different than origami, that in kirigami actually you fold and cut paper and you can use tools, whereas in origami you are allowed only to fold paper. It is a very useful form of art to be introduced to children because it helps them with math skills. First, we are going to start with a large piece of paper that we are going to shape into a square. Remember that the square has all the sides of same length, and we have to work a little bit with our paper to make it with all the sides the same length. So first thing you are gonna do, you are gonna take your lower left corner and you are gonna bring it diagonally over here and you are gonna fold it like that. Right now you can observe that the base of our square has, you are measuring the base with the height of our square. So now you know that this size is the same size with this part of the square. And now we are going to do the same. We're going to bring the lower right corner to the top like that. And you are going to press it down. Make sure that the corners are nice and neat. And as you can see, now we are gonna have like the shape of a nice square. The diagonals in a square, they are congruent and they intersect at the 95 degrees. Right now, we need to bring the base of our square to the top to make sure that we have the same width, okay? And now you're gonna press it down again. And here you're gonna fold over the flap, the remaining paper, and we're gonna cut it. Now we have our square. You are gonna fold this paper along the long side of the paper. You are gonna fold it like that one time, and you are gonna just make a little crease here in the corner. Then you will open the paper, and then you're gonna bring this corner here just like that. So you see how I made it? All right, I left just like a little finger with on the side of the mark I made. And then I'm folding it like that. And then I'm gonna do the same here. So what we are trying to do now is to make a hexagon out of our square. So we just made a triangle that has 60 degrees here. Our spider web, because it's a circle, it almost has the shape of a circle, has 360 degrees. So we need 6 triangles of 60 degrees to fit the whole circle, all right? And if you overlap this part of the paper, this will be kind of like a 6, like one sector of our spider web. So our spider web has 6 sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Next, use the ruler to draw a line at the top of the triangle and cut the paper that you have in excess. Use painter's tape to tape together the side of the triangle that has 2 parts. This step will help you with cutting. Our next step is to mark on our triangle the places where we are gonna cut our slots, okay? So you're gonna use the ruler and put it here on the untaped part of your triangle, and about a quarter of an, maybe half an inch, all right? And you are gonna mark for each half an inch from top down to the point, and then I'm gonna show you how to draw the slots, okay? So now just go here every half an inch and put a single dot, just like that. Do, 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 do. Now you have all the marks on this side of your triangle, and what we have to do is to draw the slots, concentric slots, from here to here, okay? So for this you need to use a pencil, and I like to start from the top of my triangle here, and then I'm gonna go something like that. All right, all the way to the top here, okay? And you need to make them like a little bit like a semicircle or a little bit curved. They look prettier if you make them just straight. All right. They're gonna look very pretty. All right. Now you have drawn all these slots on your paper, and we're gonna start cutting from the tip to the end. Don't forget to cut a little bit curvy like that because it looks prettier. We're gonna make our spider web look very nice. Alright, so do you see how it looks? Alright, now next we are gonna go one by one, one yes, one no, and we are gonna cut the slots in it, okay? So, and it's nice to go a little bit deeper here because it about an eighth of an inch in. So when you cut it, it's gonna cut cleaner, all right? So here is how we cut the slots. One yes, and then I leave this one and I cut the next one. And so on, okay? So what I like to do next is to take all the tape that keeps this together, to take it off because it's easier to unfold your spider web. So I'm gonna unpeel the painter's tape. Just like that. Now it's time to open our spider web. Don't forget, this is first a triangle, so we are gonna, you see, it looks like that. Oh, we have one more tape. is ready to decorate your door. And then next you can make a little spider with, I made it with a pompon, pipe cleaners, 2 googly eyes, and 2 sharp teeth. Ready? I'm ready to bite you. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so you're just gonna do it like that and put it on your door. And I hope you liked our activity today and learned a little bit of math. I will see you next time. Bye bye.